Number 6, rewrite the fraction as a single simplified fraction with a rationalized denominator. So that means that the denominator can't be a radical. And a radical is the root, it's the square root part. So we just want it to be a number. So our first step here is to use our division property of combining this into one fraction with one root. So I'm going to take one root and put a single fraction underneath. So second step is see if you can reduce the fraction. And guys, I'm totally fine if you use calculators on this. So I have 32 over 98. If you put that in Desmos and click the fraction button, it will reduce it for you. And that's fine. So that reduces to 16 over 49. I'm going to bring that over here. So now I have a square root of 16 over 49. And this goes back to our first section. These are perfect squares. And those are things that you should be able to recognize. So then I'm going to split the root again, the radical. I'm going to do this step back to this step. So I'm going to take the square root of 16 divided by the square root of 49 because these are perfect squares. So what that means, a perfect square, is if I take that radical, I get a number. 4 squared is 16, 7 squared is 49. So I end up with the square root of 16 equals 4, the square root of 49 is 7. So it's a rationalized denominator because there's no radical down here, and it's a single simplified fraction. So that would be our answer.